In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix Studio. It's a straightforward and fun process that can really make your website stand out. We start by identifying an element you want to bring to life with a mouse effect. Take a moment to look at your website layout and click on an element that you feel could do with a bit of extra attention or fun. For instance, it could be an image, a heading, or maybe a button. Once you've selected this element, your next step is to navigate towards animations. Look up in the top toolbar. You should see an icon labeled Animations. Go ahead and give it a click, and from the drop-down menu, select Mouse Effects. This is where the real magic begins. At this point, you need to choose an effect that best suits your selected element. Wix Studio provides a vast collection of effects for you to choose from. Customize the effect's settings to your liking. Adjust the motion style to either be subtle or bold. Change the direction to get a unique feel, and tweak the speed or velocity to control how your effect will respond when the mouse hovers over it. Now, for those of you who want more flamboyant effects, Wix Studio has just the solution. Direct your attention to the App Market, which you can access from the editor directly. In here, you'll find a multitude of apps that offer advanced cursor effects. Take some time to browse and identify an app that catches your eye. Once you've done that, you will need to add it to your site. Keep in mind, some of these apps might offer free plans or trials, which is perfect if you just want to experiment a bit. With the app installed on your site, it's time to jump into customization. Navigate your way to the app's dashboard and control panel. This is where you will find various settings for you to adjust and fine-tune. You could change the motion, add some more effects, or perhaps edit the appearance of your cursor. Feel free to play around until you find the perfect balance that matches your aesthetic vision. Finally, once you're satisfied with your chosen effect, apply it. Attach the app to a specific section of your site where you want your custom cursor effect to come into play. When everything looks as you envisioned it, go ahead and publish your changes. And voila! You now have a website that boasts a fun, engaging, and custom mouse effect, which is sure to set your site apart. In this tutorial, I taught you how to create a custom cursor effect in Wix Studio, from selecting an element and choosing an effect, right up to publishing your changes. I hope you found this tutorial useful, and I look forward to bringing you many more.